Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add big follow button on Instagram. So head over to your Instagram mobile application here, and by the way you can only see that big follow button only if your account is a professional mode, right? So how to turn your account in professional mode? Tap on the three horizontal lines, go to the setting, right, and scroll a little bit down, and somewhere you will find your option of account type, right? So if you're not able to find, right, just like me, then just go to in the search bar, and here just right here professional. So add a new professional account, right? For example, but I have already have a professional account, but you have to just go and select professional account, then just click on continue, and you have to complete this, right? So whatever option you would like to search, you can just select. I will just click on done, right? I have to add my phone number and email. In your case it will not show it, and then when it's done, your account has been converted into professional, and you will able to identify once you see this professional dashboard, right? Then you will able to get a big follow button if somebody search over now Instagram. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like.